Well, I just want to say that I want to thank you. I'm so glad I just happened on that page because this is really what I have needed. So I am 71 and yeah, so that's what I say every day. I'm like, what? But I have, I mean, there's just so many layers to me, and I'm not beating my drum, but I know so much, and I have incorporated so many different modalities and techniques and this and that and the other, till I just need to step back and say, okay, what do you really want to do, and what and how do you want to do it? Because I've moved into frequency and energy therapy. And so a lot of the other things that I was doing in the past, it's just, I don't do them anymore, or I do them less frequently. So this was really, really, really perfect. And that in Magic Machine, I put it in the chat. I pined over that for years. Okay, I wanted that machine. And I could never just see my way to spend $3,000, $3,500, $4,000.
$4,500. I know it's mine. Yeah. It's something to get.
Well, they have them in levels. They have them in levels, but I wanted the top of the line.
That's what I want to, and I'm getting that.
That's right, and you will. Yes, you will. And you know what?
But I'm getting that one.
You know what? A friend of mine gave it to me, literally. He moved to Paris, Illinois, or Paris, Tennessee, and he called my sister, somebody we grew up with. He called my sister because he was one of my nursing patients. He called my sister and told her, tell Betty to she can have that machine. All she has to do is pay for the shipping. I broke my neck paying for that paying for that shipping. I have that machine in my kitchen today. And so,
awesome. Oh my God.
How you get it? You
don't worry about it. You just gotta believe.
Don't worry about it. Somebody I worked for once gave me a car. Took me to the dealership and bought me a car. So you never know. You just never know. So thank you so much. I'm going to use all of these things, and I look forward to our next meeting.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Anybody else?